Alright everybody, XJoe81X here on location this beautiful spring day. We're approximately 2 weeks into April 2015. I have a project that is probably not going to get posted till winter of 2017. You will see why in a couple of weeks. I'm interluding my home videos and I am going to touch upon something that's a 3-part series. And you will see in approximately, actually, by the time you watch this video, you will have seen why I delayed my home ownership videos. But without further ado, and without wasting more time, this is the project for today. It's Ames Our Tools Built America wall mount hose reel. Bought it from Lowe's. It's a 2-year warranty, which is irrelevant. I wanted it to be sideways because here's my outdoor spigot, which is currently off because of the winter, and I'll probably try to tighten that, which I doubt. So you could just leave the hose connected to the spigot on the floor like everyone else, or you could go get something that looks like something was here. This thing is probably some kind of strap, like a half moon, and then the hose probably just stayed. Screw that. Got this bitch. It's upside down so the hotness could soften the hose. But that's it in a nutshell. I'll show you it on the wall. What I did do off camera, without wasting your time, is put it up and level it because I needed 2 hands, and I marked it, which I can't see, which is right there, and it's blurry. So I'm gonna put this on the camera, and I'm going to situate this in a sense where, oh, there's a dog. I'm gonna go situate this in a way where you could watch me work. So I just wanted to touch upon a couple of things, and I'll be right back. Hello everybody. This is going to be a 2-part video. 2-part, multi-part video. What you have here is a Drill Master 5-piece quick change masonry drill bits, plural, 5 bits. Item number 42256. This is going to be the installation of my hose reel / an informational video. I don't think I pronounced that word I'm not pronouncing words today. Take it as it is. This is a review / active use of the product. Sorry, I'm using this masonry bit to drill 4 holes in my concrete to install the hose. That's it. We'll see how it works. I'm going to use the 1/4 bit, which is right here. Start with this one, and we'll take it from there. I'm going to keep this rolling for realism. No pausing, no bullshit like that, because everybody likes to turn around and say, oh, you already did it. You didn't show me how to do it. You already did it. So, screw you, people. I'm going to try to get the best angle so I'm not in the way. Alright, so stand by, and thanks for watching in advance, because this might take 15 to 20 minutes depending on the bits, or it might take 5 minutes depending on the bits. 2 bits. Mark. Mark with a pen how deep to go, and let's see how this works with just a regular drill, not a hammer. Start down here. Alright. Still need a hammer drill. Alright. Let's see if this fits. There's no size on it, but this is what I'm using. You know, it's sunny out and I can't see if I'm doing the right thing. This is an anchor. Perfect. 3 more to go in real time. Ah, the bit's hot. Put my finger on it. Shit. Yeah, I'm losing battery. Losing battery, of course. Why would it get done without losing battery, people? Why? Let's see. Alright, well, unfortunately I have to charge my battery. Please hold. Alright, back at it. One second. What's it do? You know what? Eat anything. Eat everything you want. Eat food and rocks. Eat it, because then you're going to be in the hospital. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. That's it. Come on. That's it. That's it for you. Watch your tail. That's it. Got time. It's amazing. Fucking puppies, man. Woo! Back at it. Feather the end so it fits, because the bottom right broke the tip. I'm sure it'll rip the fuck off the wall. Nice good wind, maybe snow. Everybody plays a fool. That's a party for you, eh? That's a party. I got a party for you. We want a party for you. And down. Alright, start the screws. Sure they'll go in like shit. That's a fucker for you, eh? Real-time crime. Please stand by. Stay there. I can do anyway. In a book, reading rainbow. This one because it hangs at all four corners. You see? This sits in the back, goes in there, sits on the channel, only on the right, not on the left. For you. Hangs like a picture frame. Nice and nice. Don't want to tighten it too much so you crack it. Alternate the corners. Like I said, I don't want to slam into it. I don't want it to rip off the wall. Stop playing with those fucking phones. 18 K8. So I'll just wiggle the sides. So it goes a little bit more. Like I said, just a little. See, solid at it. I mean, I can rip it out. Just loosen this handle. Gave you a couple of screws, and then they gave you the washer. Hope my neighbor's not outside. Probably think I'm a fucking nut. Who's he talking to? I don't see nobody. I'm sure JK18 gets that all the time. This guy's always got a black thing in his hand. What is that? Alright, they gave me a washer. Put the washer in it. No particular way. Stand by, I want to get some Teflon. Alright, got some Teflon for what it's worth. I want to thank you for watching. I'm sure we're at a certain time where you're like, we're at 9 minutes, and then I think it was 4 or 5. So we're almost at the end of, you know, the time where you get restless. Obviously tested it out with this on first, so it wasn't too left or right. You know, you're saying, wait, how does he know that this hose perfectly matches? The other side. Like I said, this hose is already out here. I brought it downstairs for the winter, just in case I needed a hose. I didn't want to have it frozen. And not for nothing, the way it's set up, I could just back the screws off and take it in for the winter every year. But we'll see. Put some more Teflon on. just when it's nice out, you know, but it's windy. It's like you can't play both sides with Mother Nature. You can't. Oh, here's 65 degrees and beautiful, but here's just enough wind where when you're outside, you're like, never mind, I'll stay inside. Look, it's windy. Look at this. I guess you can't have it both ways. I can't even put the Teflon on it. Okay, yeah, woo. Take the camera with me. Definitely gonna need a tool. I'm going to shut the outside water. I'm going to turn on the inside water. Then I'm going to see if it leaks. If it leaks, I got to get a tool. Yeah. Leaking like a sieve. Leaking from something that's not even unbelievable, and the thing is opened. Crazy here. 25 minutes. Hold on.